Hi, hello, how are you? I hope you're doing great. कैसे हो आप लोग? Kasakai, Kimcho, Marhaban. My name is Kunal Doshi, Chartered Financial Analyst, and I've been a trainer for last 15 plus years now. But I have never been so excited when uploading something. And today I'll be uploading my CFA Level 2 playlist where I'll be putting up more than 50 plus video of my live batch recordings of CFA Level 2. So watch this video till the end. I've also put up in the comment and description section about the timestamp that will give you an idea of what exactly is in this video. Watch out this video till the end. It is going to be your very best investment for your CFA Level 2 preparation, and what exactly the playlist contains, that is what is in this particular video, right? So watch out till the end, and there's a final message for all my lovely students, those who supported me, so watch out that as well. Okay, thank you. So here's the list of all the courses which are right now on the channel on our playlist. First, CFA Level 1 full course from the past. This is perhaps for those students who want to understand what CFA is. Only for those students. Those who are already enrolled and want to wrap up the entire preparation in a quick format, for them, there is CFA Level 1 fast track videos. Plus, I've also solved CFA Level 1 top 500 questions. This is for your additional practice. So for CFA Level 1, already these sources are there. Also, I'll be uploading a lot more sources for CFA Level 1 for the upcoming exams. Now, fourth is very crucial. This is what the playlist is. In this playlist, I have uploaded, and what you will see upcoming is CFA Level 2 full course as well as fast track videos. This is for those students who want to understand what CFA Level 2 is, because Level 1 and Level 2 is quite different, right? So before you enroll into CFA Level 2 with the institute or with any academy or with any professor, including ours, I want you to first explore what CFA Level 2 is, understand this from the point of view of length and breadth and the depth of the curriculum. So what's in the playlist? Well, in the playlist, you will see 50 plus videos. These are my recordings of 2025 live batch that I did with the students. And in this recording, you will see how the course was conducted, what was the doubts and queries discussed, what were the questions solved. All of that unedited is uploaded. So you will see the entire lecture as it is uploaded there. So 50 or more videos will be coming up. All of these will be added into this playlist. So that is sufficient enough for you to understand what the curriculum is. So this playlist is exactly for whom? This is a very important question. I want you to hear it till the end. So those students who are entering into CFA Level 2, have been waiting for the results of CFA Level 1 and they have enough time but want to explore what CFA Level 2 curriculum is, for them this is the recording which will help you understand what comes up in CFA Level 2. How is it different from CFA Level 1? Second, those who are going for their Level 2 exams in 2026, is it suitable for them? Well, you can get very much understanding of what the curriculum is because it's a live recording of the class. You will also get to know about the doubts, the questions that are solved. That will give you a very good idea about the curriculum. Now, those who probably are going to go for the exam in 2027 or later. Well, as of now, the syllabus for 25 and 26 was same. So for 2026 attempt, yes, this is exactly same. For 2027, if there are any changes, you will have to figure out what exactly the changes are. If there are substantial changes, I will be uploading those videos also in the playlist. However, that depends on when I'm uploading and as to what exactly the changes are. So you will have to carefully watch LOS by LOS if it needs your respective exam updates. So is this enough for my exam? That is what you'll have to watch in the next section. Now, candidates keep asking me, Kunal, is this sufficient for the exam? Let me categorically tell you that nothing is sufficient for the exam. You have to put up your entire energy on first understanding the concept, doing as many questions as possible. For this, you can rely on any professor, any material, online, offline, wherever you get. However, at the end of the day, you have to go to the CFA Institute and practice those LES questions, vignettes, because that will give you an actual understanding of what the curriculum expects from you. Concept clarity, you can do it with any resource, but then you should complement that with the CFA Institute's resources as well. Together, you will build up a portfolio of understanding the concept simplistically, and building up the strength with the CFA Institute case studies, which are slightly complex. Then you should complement this with mock exams of CFA Institute and see how your preparation is. However, I'll also upload the fast track videos along with that in the playlist, and a lot more case studies I'll be solving up. So that will help you build this entire portfolio of your resources for CFA Level 2. Yes, Level 2 requires a bit more effort. Now, this is one cycle. You have to repeat this cycle a couple of times at least before you go for the final exam, and that will definitely happen, but it will require time and patience, as I always say. So what additional resources do I have? Well, you can go to our website and check out our CFA Level 2 program, where I've uploaded the 2026 live batch recording with the class in full course fast track, where I've solved it all from my own material. And in this material, I have done a very precise manner of what exactly the requirement is, how all of that is compressed and combined and concised in a very beautiful manner, and along with that, students' doubts, questions, and all of that is added up in the course. Now that is of course a paid course on my website for those students who want to go a step further and explore the systematic structural way of the latest curriculum and latest notes. They can probably check out on our website. Also, I'll be uploading a lot more information on the YouTube channel, but some of these will be exclusively on our website. You can also check out our download section, where I've uploaded some free content as well as some paid content. So explore that and check out that for additional resources. So there is a membership fee for joining my channel. These are fees not for the course. The course, definitely those who are doing CFA or those who know the value of the concepts here, they know that the course cannot be for so cheap, right? So this is exclusively to filter out the unnecessary spammers, etc. There's a membership fee, and of course, definitely I also am in the commercial segment, worked very hard through this professional building about CFA. So I definitely would want to make it affordable for those who cannot afford it, but simultaneously also make sure that it is not a freebie, so that you respect and understand and learn it systematically. All right. Now, for those who probably are facing some of the settings related issue, those who are not able to take the membership, actually YouTube has this policy where they handle out these issues. They do not share any information with us, neither do we have any control. So if you're facing any trouble, I would suggest you to check with your YouTube settings and fix it up, because we have no idea or no control about it. All right. I hope you respect the structure here. I hope you respect and understand the membership fee. We all are professionals. We all are working hard to progress in our career, and we definitely want to grow monetarily, financially, and that's why this commitment from my end to share it also with all the students who are progressing, because I myself learned it a hard way, and let's make it more affordable and more respectful for everybody. Now, what should I do if I have doubt? Well, very first, I would suggest everyone to watch out the video in the proper order. Remember, the flow of the topic is very crucial. It was crucial for you in level 1 also, and very crucial in level 2. Don't randomly start out any topic to get confused, because the curriculum is built up by connecting the dots, and you understand everything when you learn it in an organized manner. Don't randomly start any topic. But still, if you have any doubt, you can put up in the comment section. I'll be happy to guide you, but make sure don't confuse the student. There are many doubts which I might not be able to solve it by commenting. I'll try to reply as much as I can from my busy schedule, and I'll be happy to guide you as well. Also, those students who want to know in depth about these concepts, they can always check up the CFA Institute material and ask me any doubt here. Let's make the best use of this comment section and build up a community where we all info share, where we all support each other respectfully and solve each other's doubts. So let's make this as a discussion forum. I hope the comment section becomes more like a discussion and intellectual discussion with respect to the curriculum. So after CA final lecture, CFA level 1, CFA level 2, what's coming up? Well, I'll be uploading a lot more professional courses, long-term as well as short-term skill-based courses in the upcoming year or the upcoming months. As much as I can, I'll be uploading that, so this channel becomes a source for your knowledge addition. That is what my goal is. This is the platform that online has given me to reach out to all of you. I hope this becomes more and more useful to you. I want my entire goal in life is that students spend more time in learning rather than on entertainment. Of course, you have entertainment for your knowledge. You can subscribe to Netflix and all other options. I also want you guys to spend your one small portion of the money on learning things, and I myself vision that I should keep on learning, and I want you guys to be subscribed to this channel so that I keep on adding more and more information, more and more professional courses, as well as more and more short-term courses for everyone. So stay tuned on the channel. A lot of exciting things are coming up, a lot of workshops are coming up, and all of that will be on the channel, not only regards to the CFA, but everything that is necessary for your banking, financial careers, for your general financial planning and wealth management, and for your investments as well. Stay tuned on the channel. So this is now a final message. I know it's a bit emotional and a bit boring, but let me tell you, I am a guy who did not knew how to teach in English. A couple of years back, I never taught in English. I used to always teach in Hindi, but you guys have really supported me, helped me build up my communication, and appreciated my hard work and lectures. And from no student to these many students subscribed on my channel, all thanks to you. A lot of you have texted me, messaged me so many positive things, and that has really motivated me to put as much as things I can. And I came from a background of nothing. My past background has been that I struggled to complete my family's days needs, and my mom really worked hard to build up my education, borrowed money, and I borrowed money from a lot of institutions, and they all supported me. My professors in the past supported me, and with that, brick by brick, I built up this education. And from nothing to today, training candidates from sovereign wealth fund, oil and gas companies globally, all of that has been possible because of education and because of your support. So I always believe education is investment. It is not something which is expensed. It is capitalized perpetually, and it is never depreciated or amortized or never impaired. I hope you get this, right? So finally, I'll conclude with some of the things that if you guys ever wish to, communicate to me good wishes, do that to my mother and my daughter. All of that I am is because of these guys. So please communicate all your good wishes to my mom and my daughter. It is all because of their support and motivation that excites me to put more and more things. And finally, I'll upload as much as I can possible. And last thing I would like to say, for those who understand Hindi, because my background is from that, so English is, it's my second language, so I process in the head and then I communicate. So I might not be the best with respect to my English teaching. Perhaps I feel better with my Hindi teaching. So last thing I will say that I read it somewhere and I made that as my slogan. And I would suggest you to have some slogan in your life which keeps motivating you. So that slogan was पानी और तमन्नाओं की तासीर ही है आगे बढ़ते जाना. It means that it's the destiny of water and wishes and your hard work to keep moving ahead irrespective of all the challenges. I hope you liked the video. Please share it with your friends who are preparing for CA final or CFA or any other professional course, and this will be really valuable for them and will be really helpful for me as well. Take care. I'll see you in the future. Thank you.